Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a 2 weeks notice letter. What is a 2 weeks notice letter for work? Giving 2 weeks notice means telling your employer you're resigning from your current job, and your last day of work will be 2 weeks from the date of your resignation. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a 2 weeks notice letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. Write the full name, and write the occupation in the company, whether it is HR, manager, or so on. And write the company name. Under it, write the address of the office or the company. You need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. And now, you can open the letter with salutation. The most common one is Dear Mr., or Mrs., or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write the reason why you are this letter. Here, you have to state clearly that you want to resign from the company. By stating this, you should mention your current job position. And mention the company name too. After that, write the date when you will be leaving the company. Since it is a 2 weeks notice letter, your leaving will be within 2 weeks after the recipient received this resignation letter. In the second paragraph, write good things about the company. Tell the recipient how you enjoyed working with the company and how you get great experience. And tell the reason why you are leaving. You can mention the main reason, like you get another job or for the sake of family or so on. And write what date you will be last working at the company. Mention the month, date, and year. In the last paragraph, this is about your remaining responsibility before or during the transition of the employees. Since you are leaving, you should show good performance in work as usual. Here, you have to mention it. Mention that you will be completing the tasks that have given to you. And write how you are ready to help the process or transition. Finally, close the letter with sincerely. And add your signature. Write your full name under it. And write also your job position in the company. Writing 2 weeks notice letter is really important in every company. Some companies even request the employees to write the resign letter months before the date. You just need to follow the company's regulation. So, that's how you write a 2 weeks notice letter. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.